Hi everyone and welcome back to page Bontiminche Arise. I am Sotheany and today we will continue to learn 3 words from lesson 16. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first word is refused. Refused. Refused we spell R-E-F-U-S-E-D. Refused. For example, I refuse to go out with a bad person. Refused. The second word is healed. Healed. Healed we spell H-E-A-L-E-D. Healed. For example, in Christ we are healed. The third word is Egyptian. Egyptian. Egyptian spell E-G-Y-P-T-I-A-N. Egyptian. For example, Egyptians are people who live in Egypt. Egyptian. Okay, so now we will repeat it again from the first word. So the first word is refused. Refused. Second, healed. Healed. Third, Egyptian. Egyptian. Okay, good job everyone, and thank you so much for your time and attention. Please don't forget to comment all your sentences down below. And if you want to watch a full video with Miss Jenny Taylor, please don't forget to click the link that we drop it for you. Okay, bye bye and see you next video. God bless you.